This video provides an overview of the next best action solution from VeriPark. Let's assume the role of a contact center agent in this demo. When an agent receives a call from a customer, the single view of a customer pops up to show a consolidated view of a customer's relationship with the bank, which the agent can look into in order to know who's on the call. The agent speaks to the customer who wants to report a lost card. Within the same window, the agent can switch to a view in which he can capture the customer's request. In this view, various banking transactions can be carried out, from accounts and cards management to payments and transfers. So the agent selects the transaction requested by the customer, which in this case is stopping a lost card, and proceeds with capturing the required details and submitting the request. Now the agent can see that the next best action is showing an offer for the customer. So the agent informs the customer that there are some offers for him and whether he would like to hear about them or not, and the customer agrees to hear about the offers. So the agent opens up the offer details, which shows a script along with terms and conditions. The agent reads out the script and tells the customer that there is a special offer on home loans with waived processing fees. He also tells the customer that a meeting with a mortgage advisor can be set up to discuss the offer details. Customer accepts the suggestion and agent proceeds with booking an appointment. Agent asks the customer on his meeting preference, whether he wants to visit a branch or he would like a direct sales agent to visit him at his preferred location. He selects one of the advisors suggested by the system and sets the meeting date and time based on the advisor's availability. Once this is done, the appointment is booked in the advisor's calendar. Agent asks the customer if there is anything else that he can help the customer with and then completes the call. On the day of the appointment, the advisor will open this appointment from his calendar and will open the customer profile to know who he's meeting with. In the single view, the advisor can see the next best action, some visual indicators, and all of customer's products with the bank. He also sees a list of products that the customer has been found eligible for and the propensity and potential benefit of each product, with some indicators that serve as guidelines as to whether the product should be offered to the customer or not. He can also see the history of customers' interactions with the bank through different channels, so he can have an informed conversation with the customer when they meet. So the advisor meets with the customer and discusses the offer with him, and if the customer is interested, he would accept the offer and capture an opportunity. The advisor will notice that the next best action is recommending a home insurance offer since the customer is interested in home loan. The advisor informs the customer of the offer, its benefits, terms and conditions, and customer accepts the offer. So the advisor goes ahead and captures an opportunity and its details for home insurance as well.